Well, no, this is pre-recorded.
Or recorded.
Remember last time?
So can we go ahead and talk? Mama, you remember we spoke about the washing of your items? So this afternoon I was going to town. I met the lady who came in Nima. Tima. I met Tima.
Your daughter?
Yes. So I asked her if she knows someone who can help us with the washing. And she said yes, there's a lady who does that.
Okay.
So she asked her to come. Go and close the door, please.
Mosquitoes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So she asked her to come. So I was here when they came. Not knowing she works in the same company as me. We are in Zoom Lion. You know she's in Zoom Lion too?
Oh, okay. Yeah, you told me something, but it didn't register.
Yeah, my company. So she is also with Zoom Lion, but it's something she does. She washes for people, she cleans and all that.
Okay, yes, ma'am.
So she's ready to come and do it for you tomorrow.
You gonna come and do my laundry tomorrow? I need some clean clothes so bad.
Yeah. So, you finish it today?
Yeah, my clothes are all dirty.
Yeah. So she'll come and do it tomorrow. And then I'm sure Adam will say, you know, to me. If you are here to train in your man. So, Mama.